What's up, mamas? Today's video, I'm going to talk about how to use your real estate on your Facebook page to really benefit your business. If you notice on here, you see my banner up here, right? It's very interactive. It shows exactly what I'm all about. It tells what I am doing to anyone new that comes to my page or any returning visitors that come to my page. Now, here's the kicker, right? Oh, I should get, I'm going to do this while you guys are on here. Okay, this is my little cool mouse thing, right? And this makes it so you guys can see where I'm pointing. So if you look at this interactive page, this button that says click here, it's not an actual button, but what it does is if you click here, it's going to, there we go. If you click here, it's going to bring you to this area, right? And so with this area, I can actually see now that mine is not updated and I need to do that. So that's what we're going to do. This area right here is the description. And what you want in this description is the link to whatever it is that you want them to click here for. So for me, I want them to be able to join the Facebook group for my mom group. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I need to open another Facebook page so I can get the link. So I'm going to go over here. I'm going to find my mom group. All right. My Moms with Goals is what I'm trying to get people to join in so they can do exactly what you're doing, which is trying to grow your business or grow your brand or check in with other mamas. So I go up here, I highlight the Omnibar, I copy, go back to my Facebook here, and I can put the link right here. Now for me, I like to fancy it up a little bit and I say to join the group, click here. And then what I do is I add a little fancy arrow. Type arrow. I'm on a Mac, just in case anybody is wondering. I do tend to like to use these arrows, so maybe I'll use this right here. Okay, to join the group, click here. I might even go down here, add another arrow. Okay, and then make less space in between here. So now I'll get rid of this. When I hit done editing, this is now becoming a clickable link. Okay, to show you what I mean, I'm going to go back here. I think everything is saved. I'm going to go back out of here. So now when someone comes to my page and they're a visitor and they hit click here, it's being super slow right now. So when they click here, they now come to this link and say, oh, I can join the group, Moms with Goals. Cool. And then they click here and they can get into my group. Well, they can be asked to enter my group. So this real estate is huge. If you have a website, if you have an Etsy store, if you have a LinkedIn account, if you have a Pinterest, whatever it is that you're trying to promote others to come see, you want to have your link to that page over here. This is real estate, guys, okay? So it's not necessarily something like this banner. I just made that say, click here, right? And now when people come to my page and they click there, they will now be redirected to the group that it's talking about in this description, okay? This is awesome, awesome, awesome. Another thing as I work my way down the page, I use my description here underneath my name to be very simple and basic, and this is now going to my business page. So not only do I want people to join my group, but I also want people to come over to my business page and see everything that I'm working on, okay? And with that, you can see my website also pops up here, okay? So now they're getting three places to go to view the things that I am doing in my business, okay? So they have my access to my website. I want them to go to my business page, so I click here. And now, bam, they get to my business page. What is this girl all about? She's on a mission to help busy moms with time management and productivity so they can spend more time with their family. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's exactly what I want. What has she got going on here? Oh, wait a minute. Stop feeling overwhelmed. 5 tips. Oh, I'm going to go watch that video, right? Content. Oh, keep going. She has some motivation here, right? So they are now seeing all the content that I've got going on here just by viewing my original Facebook page. Okay, real estate, links. You want them to be able to access links. You want new people, right? So this is simple. You just click edit. I I just put a simple little quote here, creating a life I love, follow me and join my page. Literally, you can just copy and paste exactly what I put if that makes you feel better, whatever works for you, but obviously put your own links so you have them going to your page. All right, as I move down the page, the intro, this is something I just learned about. You don't want a bunch of gunk here. So many times we have all kinds of stuff here that you do not want. I'm thinking right now, hold on, I just got to refresh. Okay. My little ad was not popping up that I wanted. Okay, so over here, you have a bunch of stuff going on that you do not want. As you even notice as I uploaded, right, a bunch of stuff went away because you don't want this cluttered. No one needs to know who you're married to. No one needs to know where you went to college or what your old jobs were. Like, no, get that clutter out of there. Your intro, you can make your followed by. I mean, this would be more impressive if it was more people, so you don't necessarily have to show that yet. But I want to keep this up here because I want people to know eventually as I grow my followers, people are like, wow, she's pretty cool. She's pretty important. People like what she has to say. I mean, I already have 367 people who are following me. I think that's pretty impressive still, right? Now I want to promote my Etsy shop because my Etsy shop is where I sell product, right? I've got a lot going on. I have a group to support moms. I have a business page, and then I have my Etsy store, okay? But people know I am doing something. I am crushing it, okay? Now, underneath here, you will see my ad here. This is promoting my Etsy store. That's what I want. I can even click here for what you guys would see. So this is my version of it, right? But when people come to my page, this is what they see. They see my link. They see my Etsy shop, right? And then they see, oh, her Etsy shop. That looks pretty cool. I've got it with a fall sale right now, right? There's a bunch of Halloween shirts. It's custom text. I'm giving a code for a promo. And then again, I have that click here button, right? Because guess what? When I click here, do I want to leave? Oh, I have to leave the mode if I'm viewing, right? But when I click here, look it. It's bringing them to my Etsy store. Check out my fall sale on my Etsy shop. Click here. Here you go. Here's my link. So the way that you do this, some of you probably right now will have like 6 pictures here. I think it's like 6 or 4 or 9, something like that. You'll have a group of pictures here. It's just random that Facebook like put there for you because you never went and edited it yet. You want to edit it so it's only one picture, okay? And then you want to make sure that when you click here, I have to leave the page again. When someone clicks here on that one picture, they go ahead and they have a link to whatever it is here that you want the real estate to be. Now, I created this picture on canva.com. I have another video that I will link above here on the screen that will show you, and it will be in the description below, that will show you how to make these kinds of things on Canva, okay? This is exactly where I made it from. I just fooled around for a little bit and made my graphics. If you're interested in know specifically like how to make an ad like this, just put that in the comments below and I can definitely help you do that. I want to be able to help you market yourself the best I know how. So these are now 3 places of real estate that you have on Facebook that you may not be using right now that you should be using. Make sure your banner is clickable with a link. Make sure your description up here is clickable with a link. And make sure this photo over here is just one really good photo promoting what you want people to see, your business, no matter what kind of business that is. However, I would suggest if you're in a network marketing business that you are not posting your company name. You want to brand yourself. What is your name? What is your motto? What is your clickable fun thing that people can click on, but it's not necessarily saying the specific brand here. You want to always brand yourself first, not another company that you are working for. So it's just my suggestion of things that I've learned, and I've seen that that's huge right there. It's good to know. So here is your 3 ways to brand your Facebook page and get people following you, buying your products, interested in your products, getting to know you, joining your groups. Maybe it's just all free stuff. Maybe it's content. Maybe it's just your YouTube channel you're promoting. Whatever it may be, use these 3 ways to promote your Facebook page. All right, guys, I hope that video was super helpful for you. If you have any questions about any of the things I said, I know sometimes I can talk a little fast, please put them in the comments down below. Also, share your links. What do you have going on? What's your website? What's your Etsy? What are you working on? Promote yourself in the comments. That's what we're here for, right? We're all here to support each other, help each other. If you have a YouTube channel, shout yourself out down there as well. Oh, as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you hit that bell, it will alert you anytime that I put out a new video. And I really want to help you be able to promote your business. So if you have a question or a comment, also put that down there, and I would love to answer your questions and comments with my next video. So I'm always looking for new ideas, and I want to know what content will help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.